Do you want a shortcut to make money online? If so, this video is for you. Today, I will show you a strategy that will allow you to make money and pure passive income. If you want to know how, then watch this video till the end and follow all of the steps. This is Hustleholic, and welcome to the channel, where we will show you how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Now, let's get into the video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. So today's strategy involves the site Pidera.com. I reckon that most of you have never heard about this platform before. So let me explain quickly what it is. Pidera is a site where you can make money online by completing various tasks like surveys, quizzes, and such. As you can see, it says here, turn your time into money. Now before we go on, I want to make something clear. We will not be making money by completing surveys, quizzes, and whatnot. We will use the site to make money in a completely different way that'll also pay us way more money. With that out of the way, if you scroll down, you'll see that they provide unlimited tasks for you to make money online. So Pidera isn't like other make money online websites, where you complete a few surveys, play a few games, and you're out of things to do. Moreover, if you come over to sitejabber.com, you will be able to see that Pidera has a rating of 4.8 stars with nearly 700 views. This is arguably one of the best make money online sites today, and one of the most legit ones as well, which is hugely important for us, and you'll see why soon enough. Anyways, back on Pidera, down here, you can see what specific tasks we're talking about that you can complete to make money. You can sign up to other websites, complete surveys, upload videos, invite friends, and write articles about them. As you can see, they have quite a bit of different ways for you to make money. You can also see that this website has nearly 1 million members and has delivered 1.5 million payments. Keep in mind that some of those payments may contain up to hundreds of dollars, so they've given away quite a bit of money most definitely. With all of that said, you can come to this site and read more about it. But I won't go over it anymore because I want to show you what you actually have to do when you come on here, which is to sign up and create an account. You will do just that by clicking create an account right up here. On the next page, you will need to enter in your first name and last names, create a username, and enter in your email address, create a password, and confirm it. And finally, click on sign up and create my account. Once you do all of this, what you need to do is come over to your Gmail account and open up a message like this from Pidera and click on this link to confirm that the email address you entered actually belongs to you. With that done, I will now log in into my account so I can show you everything. By the way, you will get paid $0.50 for just creating an account, which is very nice. On the left-hand side here, you'll be able to see all of the things you can do to make money with this site, from creating videos to completing surveys. But like I said, this won't be our main source of income here at all. What will be our main source of income is Pidera's referral system, and right here, you can see our referral link. Before we get going with this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and leave a comment down below. You get paid $3 per 1,000 clicks. Note it says clicks, not sign-ups or purchases. People just need to click on your link. On other websites, when you refer people to make money, they generally need to purchase something or sign up at the very least, which is simply not the case here. Now, I'll show you a way to generate traffic that will not get you just a few hundred clicks, but thousands of them at the very least. So, you can make hundreds of dollars daily on complete autopilot. The traffic source that we will use is called findaforum.net. As the name suggests, you can find various forums relating to just about anything. If you click on categories, you can see what types of forums you can find, and they include computers and internet, dieting and weight loss, bodybuilding, cooking, making money online, pets, travel, relationships, vehicles, and sports. And these are actually only a handful of categories this website has to offer. By clicking on Browse All Categories, you will be able to see all of them, and there are a lot of them. However, as some of you know, we are promoting Pidera, which is a make money online website. So, what you need to do is click on Categories here and select Make Money Online. This will now show you forums that literally have hundreds of thousands of members, and all of them combined possibly have up to 1 million and more. This forum I opened up has over 350,000 members alone, and so you can see just how much potential this has. The best part is that all of these people want to make money online, and we know for a fact that they would be interested in a platform like Pidera. Furthermore, the amazing reviews Pidera has will also motivate the people further to try it out. Since they know for a fact, thanks to the reviews, that it's a legitimate platform and not a scam as so many others are. Anyways, to access the forum, all you need to do is open any one of these and then find the link to the forum, which will be located somewhere around here. When you open up a forum like this one here, for example, just create an account, but once you do not start sharing your affiliate link immediately. You should try talking to the people first, provide some value, and only after a certain amount of time has passed will you tell them about Pidera and send them that referral link of yours. You will simply repeat this process for all the other forums, and I can guarantee you'll start getting clicks very fast from there. Now, an alternative to this is a site called adclerks.com. This website allows you to advertise on various websites for a very small amount of money. Yes, it does require you to invest some money, but it is a far more effective method compared to the previous one. What you need to do first is click on All Categories here. And since we are looking for people who will be interested in making money online, you will want to select the affiliate, SEO, and businesses niche respectively. This site here has 1.1 million impressions, and for advertising ourselves for a month, we just need to invest $15, which is very low. And since millions of people visit this website, 100,000 of them clicking on our link, which is just 10% by the way, would already earn us $300, which is 20 times more than what we would have to invest into this site. As you can see, the amount of money we have to invest is crazy small compared to the amount of money we can earn. This also works on autopilot. You just pay the site to advertise and you just sit back while making money in the process. However, if you want to do it, whether with Find a Forum or with this website, you'll be able to earn a decent amount of money with ease and with no skills required, as you've seen. That's it for now. I hope you find this video useful and entertaining. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe. This is Hustleholic, and I'll see you in the next videos.